Hey guys, welcome back to English to Flow. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hello, everyone.
James, today's topic is serious
Very serious.
because today we talk about why most people fail in life.
And the sad thing is, many people do not even realize it.
James, tell me honestly,
Okay,
why do people fail?
most people think failure comes from bad luck. But many times, the real reason is hidden inside daily habits.
Deep line.
Emma, let me ask you something.
Okay.
Have you ever planned something big,
Yes, many times.
like learning English,
Yes.
or waking up early,
Yes.
or starting exercise?
Exactly.
Then, after 2 days, motivation disappears.
That happens to many people.
And this is the problem.
What problem?
People love motivation.
But hate consistency.
Exactly.
Guys, listen carefully.
Very important.
Success is not one big action.
It is small actions repeated daily.
Simple but powerful.
Emma, imagine 2 students.
Okay.
First student studies English for 5 hours one day.
Then stops for 10 days.
Right.
Second student studies only 30 minutes daily.
After 6 months, who improves more?
The second student.
Exactly.
James, I think people want fast results.
Very true.
They start learning English today.
And tomorrow, they want fluency.
Impossible.
Growth takes time.
Another big problem is comparison.
Yes.
People compare their beginning with someone else's success
Then they feel weak.
and quit early.
Social media also creates pressure.
Very true.
People see successful lives online.
But they do not see the struggle behind it.
Exactly.
Guys, remember this.
Every successful person was once a beginner.
Every fluent English speaker once made mistakes.
Every confident person was once nervous.
James, what is the biggest reason behind failure?
Fear.
Fear of what?
Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of failure.
That fear stops action.
Yes,
Many people do not fail because they are weak.
they fail because they stop trying.
Strong line.
Emma, let's talk about overthinking.
Big problem.
Some people plan too much.
But never start.
They watch motivational videos every day.
But take no action.
Knowledge without action changes nothing.
Let's imagine a boy named Rahul.
Okay,
Rahul wants to improve English.
good goal.
Day 1, he feels excited.
He watches many videos,
Makes a big timetable.
plans everything.
Day 2, still motivated.
Day 3, little lazy.
Day 4, back to scrolling phone.
And after 1 week, everything finished.
This story is common.
Very common.
Now, let's imagine another student.
Okay.
She studies only 20 minutes daily.
Small but consistent.
She speaks little English every day.
Makes mistakes,
Learns slowly.
but never stops.
After 1 year, huge improvement.
This is the secret.
Consistency beats intensity.
Beautiful line.
James, tell me one more reason people fail.
Distraction.
Especially phones.
Yes.
People say, I don't have time.
But spend 4 hours scrolling videos.
Time is not missing.
Focus is missing.
Guys, successful people also feel lazy sometimes.
Important point.
The difference is they still continue.
Discipline matters more than mood.
Another dangerous habit is quitting too early.
Yes.
People stop when life becomes difficult.
But difficult moments build strong people.
Think about gym.
Okay.
Muscles grow slowly.
Right.
English confidence also grows slowly.
Success needs patience.
James, what should people do when motivation disappears?
Continue anyway.
Even small action matters.
Read one page. Learn one sentence. Practice for 10 minutes.
Small progress is still progress.
Emma, another truth is important.
Tell us.
Many people wait for perfect time.
But perfect time never comes.
Start with what you have.
Start where you are.
Guys, imagine your future after 5 years.
Deep question.
If you improve a little daily, your life can completely change.
But if you waste time daily, nothing changes.
Success is boring sometimes.
True.
Same practice, same habits, again and again.
But boring habits create beautiful results.
Final message, guys.
Stop waiting for motivation every day.
Stop comparing yourself to others.
Stop quitting too early.
Stop wasting small hours daily.
And most importantly,
Never stop trying.
your future changes through daily actions.
Not through dreams alone.
Success is not magic.
It is consistency.
Homework time.
Very important.
Write in comments. What habit is stopping your success?
Example: overthinking is stopping me.
Keep it simple.
Keep practicing.
Keep improving with English 2 Flow.
One small step daily can change your whole life.
Bye.
Bye, guys.